interesting para sa inyo. Number one, we have a pre-convention for those who are young professionals who would like to be engaged in business or entrepreneurial o gusto pa ninyo ma-improve ang young skills. We have that pre-convention. Second is kining mga gusto na mga livelihood na mga programs, another pre-convention yan na pwede ninyong salihan. And the third is kanang gusto mga start-up o kanang mga working businesses. There is also another seminar or place para sa inyo. So it will be held simultaneously. Yes, that is a breakout session, but that will happen on the pre-con on April 25, yung Friday morning. No, Friday afternoon, sorry. Then after that, we will also be offering in the morning, sa morning, kung kamo na naamoy mga produkto na gusto ninyong ma-highlight, we are opening a booth. Pwede mo booth bazaar. So pwede mo mag-display dito free of charge. Wala mo'y bayaran anything. Just display your product on April 25, that is Friday morning. And we will also be offering free services sama sa free haircut. Free pay.
This will be a free market.
It's a free market for everyone, no? So naanagani mga naganasakuan na mag-display daw sila mga produkto, okay ra pag-display mo, no? Dito basta communicate lang sa MUA or go to our Facebook page para may plaster na mo kung asa mo dapit na mag-set up sa inyo mga products and booth. So you will also be availing for free haircut, free blood sugar, BP, free eye check-up, facial, free tax consultation, libre. O, kung gusto niyo magpaano sa inyong tax, free tax consultation. So, lahat free, no? So, ambot na lang kung dili pa ninyo i-avail kini mga libre nato. That will happen on April 25. Then on our convention proper mismo, April 26, it will be held at Ritz Hotel sa Garden Oasis diha sa Obrero.
Yes. And Ritz Garden Hotel, dito sa Tuang Convention for that day, we will be only charging for lunch and their meat and also their merienda.
For a minimum registration fee of only 1,600 pesos. Asa pa kaana, no?
Affordable
with lunch. Garden Oasis naka-lunch ka, naka-snacks pa ka with unlimited daw na beverage, no?
And also you can listen to speakers and also with spiritual leaders na to. You will be feeling spiritually also with that kanang guided with the Holy Spirit also. Plus
nanang free t-shirt na to, convention t-shirt. Nana with free convention. Tapos katong gi-request ni Sir Hora, Manuelito Hora na sticker, naamoy libre sticker kung naamoy mga motor sa sakyanan, na siya sticker o kanang atong convention ID and ball pen. Asa pa kaana, 1/6 ra.
Thank you so much. So thank you so much for preparing the technical working group of ASI Davao Mission Convention Committee.
Yes. So once again, on behalf of the ASI, we would like to thank our leaders from Southeastern Philippine Union Mission, Pastor Danielo Palomares, our president.